We at Scratching Made Easy think that you understanding why we hold our beliefs is just as important as the beliefs themselves. Our commitment to clear structure and strong fundamentals comes from firsthand experience with the struggles many DJs face when learning to scratch. When the path isn't clear, it's easy to feel lost or frustrated. Over time, we realized that meaningful progress depends on having a well organized system that connects each skill to the larger art of DJing. By building our approach around clarity and musical principles, we discovered that creativity and confidence naturally follow. That's why we stand firm behind a method grounded in order and understanding and respect for the basics. Our belief comes from seeing the difference that understanding makes, not just in our own journey, but also in the journey of others learning to scratch. We've watched how confusion or lack of direction can slow progress. That's why our belief is anchored in the idea that knowing the essential elements of music isn't just helpful, it's necessary. This perspective drives us to prioritize clarity and foundational knowledge because we've seen firsthand how it transforms practice into improvement and makes the learning process more rewarding. Our belief in having a clear and organized system comes from experiencing the difference it makes firsthand. I've felt the frustration that comes with not knowing what to do next. And I've also felt the relief and progress that come when there's structure to follow. This belief isn't just an idea, it's a response to what I've experienced myself. That learning becomes possible and even enjoyable when there's a reliable method guiding each step. That's why we put so much emphasis on guidance and structure in everything we do. Thanks for checking us out. Peace.